Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you some ideas which you must remember. I'm emphasizing this, you must remember, because knowingly or unknowingly they either become your stumbling blocks or they can contribute big time to your success. Before we proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. So the first idea is past cannot be changed. There is nothing you can do about the past. It is done and dusted. There is no undo command which is given to us about the past. However, the blessing that we have is you can develop a new perspective about the past. You can draw lessons from what has happened in the past, use those lessons in the present to create a better future. There's a beautiful quotation, no one can go to the past and make a brand new start, but anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. Isn't it so powerful? So remember, past cannot be changed. Don't crib over that, don't complain about that, it's over. Second important idea is other people's opinions do not define your reality. And there are so many people around us who may be having different views about us, different opinions about us. Who will you pay attention to? And imagine if many of those opinions are against you, they are stopping you, they are limiting you, what will you do about it? So you will not be able to do anything if you continue to pay attention to opinions of others. They do not define your reality. Your reality is defined only by one person, and that is you. Remember this. Third important idea is things always get better with time. Look at last 100 years only. Have things got better with time? In whatever aspect of life you want to look at, haven't things got better? The style of living, the technology that we have, and the speed at which we travel, and the space that we have conquered, and so on and so forth. Things have been improving on an ongoing basis. Remember, things get better with time. Only thing is, to make your things get better with time, align yourself to work accordingly. Align yourself, align your thought process accordingly so that you can make things better with time for yourself. Fourth important idea is happiness. Very important. Happiness is found within. There is nowhere outside that you can find happiness. If you have to find happiness, you have to search here within yourself, and the challenge that we as human beings face is there may be many layers which have been put on the happiness that you were born with. Do you remember yourself as a child? How happy you used to be. Agreed that you did not have as many responsibilities at that time. That's why perhaps your happiness levels were sky high. But remember one thing, there is a child inside you who is entitled to happiness and who also knows how to be happy. So connect with that child within yourself so that you can create higher levels of happiness in your life. And why do I say that? Because I know you deserve it. Next important idea is smile is contagious. Isn't it? What happens when you smile at someone? Now, if I ask you, look at me, and what happens to you immediately? A smile comes back to you. So smile as much as you can, because the immediate benefit that you get out of smiling at others is you get back a smile. And isn't that a great reward? And the last thought that I'm sharing is what goes around comes around. This is how our life is made. Cause and effect is an essential principle of this life. So whatever you are contributing to life, life tends to give it back to you. Whatever you contribute to the lives of others, that comes back to you. And remember one important thing in this is that whatever you get back may not come back from the same source, but it definitely comes back. It gets multiplied also. And that is why you must pay attention to what is it that you are adding to the world around you, because remember, it's going to come back to you sooner or later. So these 6 ideas that I've shared with you, always remember them in your mind, ignore them if need be, and put them into practice if it needs to be done that. And I'm sure your life will become enriched with these ideas.